Good evening everybody and welcome to the video. Some upcoming videos are going to be really interesting and fun for you guys. These videos are focused on real world applications such as we're going to bring the data from a source. The source can be Postgres, can be MySQL, can be literally anything. Using Debezium, we're going to capture the changes in that table, and we're going to basically, after capturing the changes, we're going to bring that into a Kafka topic. Once we have it in the Kafka topic, basically what we're going to do is now we'll have a Kafka connect and an S3 sync connector. The S3 sync connector will essentially directly broadcast these JSON changes to the data lake S3. And from there, now you can essentially have a EMR job or essentially a glue job that will take those records and convert them into a transactional data lake. We're going to do all of these in the upcoming videos, but just want to show you some demo. So hopefully that excites you what we're going to do. All right, so give me one sec while I just share my screen. So here you can see, we have a schema registry, we have topics, we have a connector. Here I have two connector. That is the source connector, which is the MySQL. It's going to bring data through Debezium, and then this is the S3 sync connector. And again, this is the S3 bucket. So I can actually prune this to show you. See if I can come here. I'll just show you really quick these are some of the stuff that we're going to learn in the upcoming videos. So excuse me. So now let me close this one. So here I'm on the maybe not, you cannot see here. So let me come here. Hopefully now you can see, right? So now actually I'm gonna insert a data point, and I'm gonna say it's very uncomfortable with this zoom thing. So let me try now. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see now if I insert a record, and I think it did insert. Forget about this part, but again, now this data should be captured, and again if I refresh now S3, here you can see we got that data. I can download that and I can quickly show you. Again, this is all happening real time, right? We are essentially using Kafka here. So here, as you can see, before and after, that's the new data point that we got, right? Amazing, right? So yeah, we are gonna do all these hands-on lab, right? So if you see the topic, I can come here and see the topic. That's the topic here. And hopefully I should see the messages there as well. The ID was 11, remember that. So if I go to the page 3, and here you can see key is car ID 11, and here you can see the real-time changes. So all of these projects are coming in, and again, these will teach you a lot in terms of Kafka, Debezium, change data capture, process data, how to organize data, everything, right? So basically all these videos are coming up. I hope you guys are excited. I'm also excited to make all these contents, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. With that being said, this was just a promo what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna do more and more. Then we'll explore other connectors such as Hudi connectors, right? Do maybe streaming jobs, right? So all that is coming up. Hope you are excited. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. The reason it also takes time is because as I prepare a video, I have to prepare all the steps. I have to do these labs myself. I have to record, edit. It takes a long time. And that is why usually, it takes time to post these videos as well. So thank you so much. And I am anticipating to see you guys in that video tutorial. Okay. And if you have any more questions, you may list them in the comment and we can go from there. Thank you.